Maximizing battery life with live wallpapers.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a popular customization feature on our smartphones, live wallpapers. Although they can give a personal and dynamic touch to our devices, they're known to consume a good amount of battery. But don't worry. In this video, we'll discuss some strategies to conserve battery when using live wallpapers. Remember, the key to battery conservation is efficient use and smart settings.
What impacts battery life with live wallpapers?
Live wallpapers drain battery because they use CPU and GPU resources to display their animations. This is especially true if the wallpaper is poorly optimized or very complex. Also, if your wallpaper reacts to touches or device movements, it can consume even more energy. The complexity of the wallpaper, how much it interacts, and how optimized it is are the main factors impacting your battery life.
How to choose energy-efficient live wallpapers?
One way to save battery life is to choose a live wallpaper that's simple and well optimized. Look for wallpapers that don't have too many moving parts or intense animations. Wallpapers that don't react to your touches or device movement can also help conserve battery. Remember, the less complex the wallpaper, the less battery it will consume.
Are there settings I can adjust to conserve battery?
Yes, there are several settings you can adjust to save battery life. Reduce screen brightness. The brighter your screen, the more power it uses. Consider reducing your screen brightness, especially in low light conditions. Shorten screen timeout. This is the time your phone waits before turning off the screen when it's inactive. A shorter timeout means less time for the live wallpaper to consume battery. Disable interactions. If your live wallpaper interacts with touches or device movements, disabling these features can save power. Use dark-themed wallpapers. OLED and AMOLED screens consume less power displaying dark colors. If your device has one of these screens, using a dark-themed live wallpaper can save battery. So there you have it. By making smart choices about the type of live wallpaper you use and adjusting a few settings on your device, you can enjoy the dynamic beauty of live wallpapers without significantly impacting your battery life. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, every bit of battery you save contributes to the longevity of your device. Enjoy your personalized and battery-friendly device.